Hello and welcome to EZGlutenFree. Today we're recreating Mickey D's Egg McMuffin at home. I mean, what choice did I have? If you can't eat gluten, you just can't go pick one up at McDonald's. And I started out here with the glutino English muffin. And they're actually larger than regular English muffins. But they don't have a whole lot of nooks and crannies, which was a little disappointing. And the texture is closer to a sturdy hamburger bun, but it still made a really nice sandwich. And I toasted it in a cast iron skillet to make it even better. Add a slice of cheese so it can start to melt a little, and a yellow American will more closely mimic the Egg McMuffin. For the Canadian bacon, heat it in a skillet for about a minute or two per side, just to get a little color and flavor on there. And while I had that going, I made the egg. And I used a silicone egg ring. Place the ring into a cast iron or non-stick skillet heated to medium, and I have the side handle tilted down so I can stick on a lid later without disturbing the egg ring. Now add a little butter, drop the egg in the center, and I like to pierce the yolk so it looks more like an Egg McMuffin when it's done. Pop on a lid to keep the heat in there, let it cook for a minute. Then to keep the bottom from getting too overdone, lift the lid and splash in about a tablespoon of water on the outside of the ring. Then let it steam under the lid for another minute and it's done. And the egg should pop right out of that ring. Now layer it onto the cheese, add that pan-fried Canadian bacon, throw on the muffin top, and the sandwich is complete. And even though the English muffin doesn't have the exact flavor and texture as a regular one, this sandwich as a whole was actually better than an Egg McMuffin because the quality of the other ingredients was a little better than the original sandwich, and the whole thing was larger. I also did another sandwich with sautéed peppers, onions, and diced Canadian bacon, all held together in that egg ring with a scrambled egg, and I put a slice of cheese above and below the mini omelet, and I guess we could call this one the Egg McMuffin. And for a printed copy of the recipe, you could always visit my blog at the link below. And for brand new recipes every week, don't forget to subscribe. See you again soon.